Downer's got good opportunities. There's lots of room to improve your work and relationship here, and there's a large variety of work on offer.
Everyone's super friendly, super supportive and collaborative. It's only after I started working with Downer I realized how important work culture is to help in one's growth.
I joined Downer because I thought it would provide me a lot of professional growth opportunities because there's a lot of projects in a lot of different areas.
Great place to work, plenty of opportunities. They really push you here, and most of all just that culture.
I knew Downer had quite a lot of work going on, a lot of interesting projects, especially in water, which is sort of my background. I found the opportunity and went for it, and no regrets ever since then.